Hi and welcome. This is your next shadowing story. Listen, repeat, and have fun with your English. Today, we're going to the beach. This morning, I woke up to sunshine. No alarm clock. Just birds singing and light poking me in the eyes. Basically, a nature-powered wake-up call. Better than coffee. Well, almost. I checked my phone. No messages, no work, no problems. Beach day? Absolutely yes! I grabbed my bag, towel, sunscreen, sunglasses, snacks, priority one. Almost left without flip-flops. Rookie mistake. Hot sand in bare feet equals dance you didn't plan. I called Mia. Beach today? She said, "Sure, I'll bring the watermelon." Nice. Left the house, smiling. The air, warm, the sun, hugging me like a golden blanket. At the bus stop, I met an old man with a surfboard. He said, "Waves are big today. Don't get eaten." I said, "I'll try to stay on the menu." The bus was loud. Kids yelling, someone singing with too much confidence. One guy tried to eat a sandwich without making a mess. Spoiler, he made a mess. At the beach, soft, hot sand. Seagulls already yelling about a crust of bread. Classic. Mia arrived, already wearing her sunglasses, carrying a giant watermelon. "How heavy is that thing?" I asked. She grinned. Heavy enough to be lunch and workout. We set up our mini camp. Towels, drinks, watermelon slices. Mia was so excited. She ran straight into the water, still holding her flip-flops. And then, boom. First wave, direct hit. She disappeared for a second. Came up spluttering, laughing, hair all over her face. Her flip-flops floating away like tiny boats. I shouted, "You okay?" She yelled back, "Best welcome ever." Has a wave ever knocked you over like that? Tell me in the comments. I want to know your funniest water moment. The water looked amazing. A bit cold at first. Then, joy. We ran into the waves like 5-year-olds. A big wave knocked me over. I came up for air, laughing with seaweed on my head. Mia said, "Nice hat." I replied, "Seaweed couture." Very exclusive. We swam, floated, tried to jump over the waves. Spoiler, the waves always win. Back on the sand, we ate watermelon and watched a group of crabs fighting over a shell. One crab won, did a little victory dance, then immediately dropped the shell. Nearby, a family built a sandcastle. Kids wanted a castle. Dad wanted a fortress. Mom wanted sunscreen. Result? A beautiful lump. We clapped like it was art. Walking along the shore, I found a strange shell. Mia said, "Listen, maybe the ocean will whisper to you." I listened. It said, "Next time, more snacks." Sunset came. The sky turned into a painting. We sat, watched waves, said nothing. Perfect silence. On the way home, I thought, life is like the beach. Waves knock you down, sand gets in your shoes. But if you laugh and enjoy the sun, it's a great day. And hey, every time you shadow, your English gets stronger. Mistakes? They're just funny little waves. Keep swimming. What's the one thing you always bring to the beach? Or your funniest beach moment? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next shadowing story. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Stay awesome.